Okay guys, just another quick update here on the worm bin, the DIY worm bin. If you guys watched my last video, which was maybe 2 weeks ago, could be 3, this avocado has just been sitting in my worm bin, and last time I had checked it, it had sprouted roots coming out of the bottom. And it was just mixed in the middle of it, so I had taken it out and put it on top and left the top poking out there, and lo and behold, a couple weeks later we've got the actual tree coming out, a little baby tree coming out the top. So that is awesome. I have tried germinating avocado seeds for years, you guys, probably 100 times, and I've never been 100% successful. So I'm totally stoked about this. I'm going to put this in a pot with pure worm castings and see what she does. So that's awesome. The worm bin is doing great. Got a little bit of mold in here from when I threw some sweet pepper scraps in there maybe 2 weeks ago, but the research says that that's okay to have a little bit in there. It means your worm bin is healthy. So my original reason for breaking this case open again was to put a small layer of worm castings on my citrus trees that are not doing too hot in this Vegas heat. Some are doing better than others. I've got a pepper down in there just for giggles, and I think there's a watermelon in there too. So those will be taken out before they start bullying the citrus tree. I'll move them. But here's my, what is this, Lisbon semi-dwarf lemon, and that one's definitely got some sunburnt leaves on it, but I'm going to, it's officially in the nursery now. I'm going to baby it back to health. This is my semi-dwarf lime. It's doing okay. And then this poor guy, my semi-dwarf mandarin, is seeing better days. So it looks like it got a little dry there. The temperatures here have been absolutely insane lately. So these are all in the nursery now. I'm gonna keep an eye on them and baby them. Give them a layer of worm castings here and see where we go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Got some more updates coming soon. Happy 4th of July.